again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, we're doing an Indian style potato and spinach. Very, very simple. Very few ingredients, doesn't take that long, and it's delicious. And by the way, it's vegan. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using for this very simple dish. So, at the back, I've got some spinach there. Now, I'm using a frozen chopped spinach. You could be using fresh if you want. I've got tomatoes there. That's a tin of chopped tomatoes. Some onions, nice and small, and some potatoes. These potatoes have been peeled, washed, but they're not cooked yet. A little bit of green chili, some garlic ginger paste, and just a couple of spices here, or 3. Turmeric, chili, and coriander. We're going to put a couple of little bits in this, maybe some fresh cilantro at the end. It's really, really easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get started on this. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil, but you know, a coconut oil or something like that could be delicious. Now, just going to start off with a few cumin seeds in there. Excuse me. Now you could be adding some black mustard seeds, some green cardamom pods, a bit of cinnamon stick, bay leaf, anything goes really. The amount of whole garam masala is pretty endless, the combinations. But yeah, just today, just a few cumin seeds. We're just infusing that oil there with those seeds. Now we're going to add our onions. We're going to add our potatoes. And some garlic ginger paste right there. Garlic ginger paste, a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We use it all the time, especially for curries, Indian food. There's a video on the channel to show you how to make that if you wanted. Just now I'm going to add a little bit of salt into this. And on this kind of fairly vigorous heat, we're going to go for about 3 minutes. Okay, so this is just coming together really nicely now. Those potatoes are still pretty hard. At this point, we're now going to add in our chopped, cooked spinach, and like I said, I'm using a frozen variety, but use fresh if you wanted. Simply, we're going to, again, go for about 3 to 4 minutes now, staying on this kind of fairly high heat, stirring pretty much all the time now. Okay, the next step is we're going to put in a bit of fresh chili. I mean, that's optional as to how much. And then those powders. Like I said, I've got little equal parts here of chili, coriander, and turmeric. If you wanted, you could be using a curry powder that you already have, you know, a mix you might have in the cupboard or something. And then our tomatoes. Like I said, I'm using a chopped can or tin of tomatoes. You could be using fresh if you wanted, or a puree or something like that, a tomato puree. Okay, now we're going to lower the heat to just above a simmer. And we're going to cook that until our potatoes are cooked. I think this is going to be about another maybe 6 or 7 minutes now, and then yeah, pretty much done. Okay, as you can see, this is looking wonderful. Right, off goes the heat. Check that for salt. I'm just going to finish this off now with some fresh cilantro or coriander. If you wanted, you could maybe put a little pinch or 2 of a garam masala in there, but there you go, super easy. Beautiful spinach and potato. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.